Hey guys, it's Megan. We are making a healthy version of cookie dough balls. Pause right there, I have to go get my children.
So, healthy version of cookie dough balls. Let's see. We got raw clover honey. We've got original coconut flour. We have Enjoy Life mini chips, semi-sweet. We've got the red meal superfine almond flour, a spoon, 2 mixing cups, and a bowl. So guys, again, oh, forgot the peanut butter. And it takes peanut butter. And guys, Richard's peanut butter, 100% peanuts, and it really is.
Crazy Richards.
Oh, Crazy Richard, sorry guys. Richard was crazy because he made just peanut butter. Literally, just peanut butter.
Did you get the ingredients?
I'm trying, but you're talking. You can't film when you're talking too much.
He loves me.
Okay, Crazy Richard. Would you hold it still? Just kidding, guys. Ingredients, if you can see right there. Peanuts. And that's it. Okay, Megan, what's next?
First, we are gonna start with half a cup of almond flour. You guys can use any brand of almond flour that you like. This is what Walmart had, so this is what I grabbed. Plus, Bob's is really, really good. We're gonna ignore the children screaming my name right now.
How much are you using?
Half a cup, and I'll write the recipe on here as well. Half a cup of almond flour. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Again, any brand that you guys like is fine. 1, 2. Now we are gonna do.
What's that powder substance in your bowl?
We got almond flour, coconut flour. Now we are gonna do half a cup of peanut butter. Try to get all natural peanut butter. Try to have as little ingredients as possible in your peanut butter. This is literally just peanuts. Now, you're gonna do 1/4 a cup of honey. I'm just gonna fill this halfway full.
Guys, something is going on behind that door over there. I don't know what it is.
Forgot to These are Enjoy Life semi-sweet chocolate chips. Again, the ingredients in these guys, it's sugar, unsweetened chocolate, and cacao butter. So simple. There's nothing extra. It's very clean.
Does cacao butter come from a cow?
1/3 a cup of chocolate chips.
Any other husbands in here feel like they get ignored too in their life?
1/3 a cup of chocolate chips.
After you mix up your dog food, you add rat droppings.
Now we're just gonna mix all of this up until it literally looks like cookie dough, guys. And if yours seems too dry, add a little bit more honey. If it seems too moist, then add a little bit more of either one of the flours. I would do a little bit of both. And this is a fantastic option for a dessert. It's a healthy, clean dessert or a good snack. This is a great pick-me-up for like the afternoon. I always get a sweet tooth in the afternoon. So it's good for then. I always like something kind of sweet I love peanut butter with my morning coffee. I don't know why. So this is a great option for that as well. If you guys don't like peanut butter, you can do an alternative. Try almond butter, cashew butter. Don't forget to lick the spoon. Okay. So, now what we're gonna do is we are just going to roll them, go ahead and stick them in the fridge. You can also freeze them. Just store them in the fridge. You can put them in a meal prep container, just an airtight container, and store them in there. But they should be, you can eat them like this. They're rather soft right now, but I would say an hour in the fridge and they'd be good to go.